In this episode we will show you on how to become a vegetarian. It may possibly seem impractical to imagine the initiatives a person should take to study to turn to a vegetarian diet. Nevertheless, is it not as simple as merely hacking meat out of one's diet? The response to that straightforward issue is, not actually. People perceive that becoming a vegan requires much more effort than simply refusing to a steak or a hamburger. An individual would discover that exploring to become a vegan entails a lot of examination and also some serious efforts, so that one can be fit and not devoid their body of something that it essentially requires to function completely in the manner it was intended to. The most important thing one requires to attempt when turning to a vegan diet is to take it leisurely. If you have been habitual of consuming meat for years now, in that case a laid-back attitude will not make much difference. You will have to make some serious and planned efforts to become a vegan. Begin by slashing meat out of your regular diet gradually. You can cut on meat for some days and then switch over to consuming fish or chicken. This process can eventually help you in quitting meat permanently as the body slowly and progressively gets used to change in diet. If an individual desire to realize how to adopt a lacto-vegetarian diet, then they will also have to do petite exploration into the nutrients that are comprised in different vegetables, so a person can be certain that their body is receiving the essential stuff it requires to be well built as well as efficient. It must be kept in mind that vitamins like B and C as well as minerals like iron and zinc are essential for the human. Calcium and protein are also vital components of a proportionate diet, so one would wish to know the nutritional value of the food that they are consuming. It is necessary to ensure that the body is provided all the essential nutrients and vitamins that it requires to function efficiently. For the reason that people are removing meat from their diet, they must ensure that they intake sufficient protein into their body. Protein is crucial for the human body, and hence when people are studying how to turn into a vegan, they will desire to get substitute supplies of protein in order that their body can work the manner it was intended to. On our next video we will talk about eating healthy vegetarian. If this video has helped you, don't forget to like our videos and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We are helping you live a healthier life.